All right, so a strategy that people used to use back in the day to artificially boost links was the use of press releases. You write a press release, you syndicate it on a site, you pick up a lot of links, and boom, your SEO would kind of skyrocket. Now, Google kind of caught on to that. In some cases, they started to look at the syndication and maybe they devalued some of the link value of some of those websites. But that doesn't mean you stop doing press releases. If you have something that is actually newsworthy to your business, by all means, what I would recommend that you do is to write a press release. I would publish the press release on your website first, get it indexed, because this way you get the traffic to your website when people are kind of doing those type of searches around that press. And then as a booster, then take the press release and submit it onto like a PR web or a PR newswire and stuff like that. And then in some cases, you might actually get picked up. You might get interviewed. You might have the news at your office. You never know what's going to come as a result of the press release. But if you're just doing press releases as a link building strategy, I don't think that's smart.